Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect our database in our Java using command prompt. In our previous tutorial, we create a table. So in here, we're going to make our connection in Java using command prompt. So in our previous tutorial, we create a database named javdb. So here is our javdb. Where's our javdb? Javdb. So these are javdb. We create a login table, and then the inside is 12 for aljaf, and then Maurice. And let's close it. Then let's make a connections for our Java. Let's open our command prompt. Go to control panel, and then system and security, administrative tools, and then data source ODVC. Let's wait. Then let's go to our system DSN, then click add. Then choose the Microsoft driver or Microsoft Access driver MDB ACCDB, then finish. Let's select our database name. Our database name is this one, aljavdb. So click OK, and then put the name of your database here, aljavdb, and then OK. Yes, and then OK. Then close this one, and then open your notepad. Here in my notepad, I have already the program of connections of Java using command prompt. Here I declare the import java.sql that what do you call this, a ampersand asterisk, then close. And then I have a public class here. I just name our class project as conjava for connecting Java, and then I declare the connection as a variable c equals to null, and then result set is rs, statement is st for the statement, result is rs, and integer cnt for count equals to 0. So I initialize the cnt as 0 and declare for the counting of record from the database. So here, the public class, I just call the class name of our project conjava. Then try, and then class name. This is a format for access database. We need to declare this because these are drivers for connections. And this one, the C or the null for the connection. This is a driver manager that we create. For access database, we need this to declare get the connection we had configured to the database access. So in this one, in this line, this str statement, see that create statement, it's execute the SQL query for retrieving of data from MS Access table. And then this RS or result equals to the connections. It's the connection of the execution of the table. Executed query select from our table login table that we create in our access the table name of login table. And then this one, in this line, the while that make a loop, it's the record from the database. So it's get the record from our database with an index of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the index 1 is our ID, our index 2, this one, is our username. The index 3 is the password, and the index 4 is the administrator or the permissions. So the counting as 1, cn plus 1, so there is 1 from 0 to 1, or to 1 to 2 until he reached the 4 index. And then the record going to count, then it's display this one going to display our database in our command prompt. The system.out record count, this is counting how many record in there in our database. So if count is less than 0, the system print connection database algebra result. So else, if there's no record, it's going to print the not record. So let's check out this one if this been work. So let's save this on our desktop as con Java, the Java. So save. Let's open our command prompt. Let's go to command prompt. So in our command prompt, let's type cd desktop to access our project that we save on our desktop, and then let's compile this as Java. Name of our project con Java .java. Then debugging if there is an error or there's a no error. So it's been a while, so there is no error. So just let's run this as Java. Name of our project con Java to run to see the output of our project. It's been work. So it is working. So in our first index is 12, and Al Jefferson, our password is Ramos, and the permission is admin. Second one is 3, Malte, Rickert, and is user. And then 5, Maris, Jingle, user. And then the record count is 3. So because we have a three database inserted on this. So this is the connection of database or Microsoft Access in a Java using command flow. So thank you for watching the whole tutorial.